Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in August or September. It is celebrated for 2 days, 5 days, 7 days or 11 days. We keep an idol of Lord Ganesh in our home. Friends and relatives come to visit us. We pray to Lord Ganesh. We offer him sweets, flowers and rice. We prepare modaks, a sweet dish. Public celebration mostly take place for 11 days. On the 11th day, they immerse the idol in a lake, a river or the sea. In Mumbai and Pune, there are huge crowds on this day. When the people immerse the idol, they say, Ganpati Bappa Moria Pudcha Varshi Lavkar ya. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Shravan. It is the festival for brothers and sisters. On this day, the sister ties a rakhi on the wrist of her brother. The brother gives his sister a gift. The rakhi means that brother and sister will always love each other. It also means that brother will always protect his sister. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated with sweets and rakhis. I love this festival very much. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is celebrated all over India in October or November. People light lamps outside their homes. Women make rangoli outside their doors. We get 3 weeks holiday for Diwali. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. The third day is the main day of Diwali. On this day, we wear new clothes. We eat sweets. We visit our friends. At night, we light crackers. Diwali is the time for great enjoyment. Christmas Day. We celebrate Christmas on 25th December. On this day, Christians celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. On Christmas Day, Christians go to the church and pray. People wish each other Merry Christmas. There are many parties. Santa Claus comes to these parties. He brings gifts for children. Children love Santa Claus. Christians make tasty sweets and cakes for Christmas Day. People send Christmas cards to friends and relatives. They also sing Christmas carols. Christmas is a day of great enjoyment. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the month of Ramzan. On this day, Muslims get up early. They go to the mosque for prayers. After the prayers, they wish each other. Eid al-Fitr is a day of great rejoicing for the Muslims. They wear new clothes. They prepare sheer khurma and sevaiya at home. They visit their friends and relatives. Children get gifts or money on this day. Eid al-Fitr is a day of peace and friendship. Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5th. It is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and former President of India. The students from higher classes come and teach us on this day. We wish all our teachers Happy Teachers' Day. We give them flowers and cards. On this day, we show our love and respect for our teachers. My best friend. My best friend is Karan. We study in the same class. He stays near my house. We go to school together in the same bus. I like Karan very much. Karan helps me with my sums. He gives me his storybooks to read. I give him my storybooks too. I go to his house every evening to play games. Karan and I talk a lot to each other. Both of us want to be doctors. We will study hard for that. Karan and I will always be friends. The farmer. The farmer works in the field. He grows crops. He works all day in the sun. He plugs the field with the help of bullocks or tractors. Then he sows the seeds. The farmer waits for the rain for the crops to grow. The farmer works very hard. He looks after the crops carefully. Then he harvests the crops and sells it in the market. The farmer grows crops that give us food. We should all thank the farmer. My class teacher. My class teacher is Mrs. Mehta. She teaches us English. She teaches very well. Mrs. Mehta always speaks in a soft voice. She tells us many stories. She teaches us how to write neatly and clearly. She also teaches us good manners. I like Mrs. Mehta very much. The policeman. The policeman looks after law and order. He looks smart in his khaki uniform. He sees that no one does anything wrong. You will see the policeman on the roads or near traffic signals. He has to work all day. Sometimes he gets night duty. The policeman is very helpful to children. Robbers and thieves are afraid of him. He always carries a lathi in his hand. The policeman does a great service to the society. He is a friend of the people. Environment Day. We celebrate Environment Day on June 5. On this day, we think about the air, water and land around us. We think about the people, animals and plants that live on the earth. On this day, we take a pledge to keep the air, water and land clean and pure. We take a pledge to grow more trees. We tell people the importance of trees. Environment Day is a day when we think about the nature. Independence Day. India became a free nation on 15th August 1947. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. We come to school in the morning. The headmaster or the chief guest unfurls the national flag. We salute the flag. We sing the national anthem. Children give speeches. We remember the freedom fighters on this day. Our teacher gives us sweets. Myself. My name is Sanika. I am 7 years old. I study in class 2. I live in Delhi. I have a baby brother. We are a family of 4. I like reading books. I want to be a doctor. My mother. My mother's name is Sheila. She is a teacher in a school. She looks after me very well. She cares for me when I am sick. She helps me with my homework. My mother cooks very well. She makes all the things I like. Sometimes I go shopping with her. I love my mother very much. My grandmother. My grandmother lives with us. Her name is Mamta. She is 70 years old. Yet she can see very well. She still has strong teeth. She goes to temple every day. She tells me stories every night. I know she loves me very much. I love her too. My pet cat. I have a pet cat named Fluffy. She is white and furry. She looks very cute. I like to stroke her back and scratch her head. She loves to drink milk and eat fish. She chases the mice away. After sunset, Fluffy goes into the compound. She roams around. She hears other cats meowing. She meows too. Then we bring her in. I like Fluffy very much. Our national animal. Our national animal is the tiger. It has yellow fur and dark strips. The tiger is a very graceful animal. The tiger lives in the forest. It eats other animals. It roars very loudly. The young one of a tiger is called a cub. Tigers are found mostly in Asia. We must protect the tiger. Our national bird. Our national bird is the peacock. It is a beautiful bird. It has long blue and green tail feathers. It walks very proudly. When it rains, the peacock dances. It is a very beautiful dance. The peacock lives in jungle near water. The peacock has a loud, sharp voice. Children like to keep a peacock feather in their books. The elephant. The elephant is the largest of all land animals. It has a long trunk in place of a nose. At the side of its trunk, it has two long, pointed teeth sticking outside. These are known as tusks. It has very large ears that looks like fan. The elephant eats grass and leaves. It carries heavy loads. Elephants are found mostly in Asia and Africa. The giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest of all land animals. It has a long neck. It also has long legs. It can eat leaves from the highest branch of a tree. The giraffe only eats leaves. The body of the giraffe is pale yellow with brown spots. It can run very fast. The giraffe lives in open areas with lots of trees around. Care of our teeth. We must take care of our teeth. We must brush our teeth in the morning and at night. After every meal, we must rinse the mouth. Then germs will not stay near the teeth. We must not eat too many chocolates and ice creams. They are bad for the teeth. We should not eat or drink things that are too cold or too hot. They are also bad for teeth. A rainy day. One day in July, it rained very heavily. Water filled the streets. I did not go to school that day. It rained for 4 hours. There was thunder and lightning. Vehicles moved slowly in water. People with umbrellas walked on the footpath. Small boys played in the water. They floated paper boats. I don't like rainy days because I can't play outdoors with my friends. My favorite dish. My favorite dish is vegetable pulao. My mother makes it for me regularly. She makes it very well. She adds a lot of vegetables to the rice. There are peas, carrots, beans, potatoes, and onions. She also adds plenty of spices so it smells wonderful. She always makes it on my birthday. Whenever I take it in my lunch box, my friends gather around me to taste it. Daddy loves it too. Mummy says she learned how to make it from her mother. She will teach me too when I grow up. I hope when I make it, the dish becomes as tasty and attractive. My routine at school. My school begins at 9 a.m. sharp. We say our prayers in the hall and go to class. The teacher takes attendance. Then we begin our studies. At 11:30 we have a short break. I have a snack. Then I go back to class. The last bell rings at 1:30 in the afternoon. On some days we go out for games. Sometimes we have drawing in class. This is my school routine. My life story. I was born on 2nd June. The first thing I did was to cry loudly. Everyone thought I was a lovely baby. I had no hairs and no teeth. I smiled a lot. My first tooth appeared when I was 7 months old. I drank milk from a bottle. My first words were Dada and Mama. I had a favorite cloth doll. I took my first step when I was 11 months old. I enjoyed going out in the farm. My favorite fruit was banana. My life story. I was born on 2nd June. I began speaking when I was 2. I was very active as a baby. I went to school when I was 3. I was quite happy to go to school. The other children were crying. I laughed at them. Once I fell from my tricycle. My head hit the floor. I got a nasty cut. It was bleeding. Mummy had to take me to the doctor for stitches. I still have a scare on my head. Mehul and Anwar were my first friends. We played many games. When I was 4, my aunt came from England. She bought lot of toys and books for me. When I was 5, my baby brother was born. I was so excited, but he cries a lot. This is my life story so far. What I want to be. Sometimes I think I would like to be a flower. Then people would look at me and smile. That would make me very happy. Or I could be a bird. Then I could fly everywhere. If I saw a child crying, I would sing to it. But I know I cannot be a flower or a bird. So I would like to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to look after sick patients and make them well. I will check patients in my clinic. I will tell them what medicines to take. I will be very happy when they get well. That's it for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to learn more essays from Suman's Academy.